Yeah, so this I see in here. I can't see this man alive, boy. What the frick is this? So are you good there, boy? You alone in the car? Wait, what the ass is this?
Good night. There's no up.
No up on there. He was driving behind.
Wait up one, that's it.
This side, come two of them coming up. One of the car going on in the bush there.
Where you are?
Look one of the car in the bush there.
Yeah, man. They alright though?
Yes. You pick it up, come up on that door. Yeah. I know driving, I see the car. I like it. What's that? Swing. What is this? Drive fashion. Next I don't want to bush. Boom, car. This vehicle flip all kind of thing, you know. I feel good now. This vehicle flip, you know. This van flip, you know. I said this van flip. Come in here. Yeah. Yeah, so this.
What's your name? Silva.
You do it in the back here. Really next car, the man now, that bungs there. Send it in the bush. A man take out trees and thing here, but what the flick is this? Two airbag bust out. Boom, look at that. That is craziness. I thought he was small, wouldn't he, back here, but flicking your slam, boy. Yeah, what is man pass by? You even seen that fast for this man to pass here. A man went over the flipping bush.